The chapter is algebraic expressions and identities. First of all, what is the definition of the expression? The definition of the expression is nothing but it is formed from the variables and constants. The expression can involve one or more variables. For example, we can take x plus 5, y plus 2, and z minus 3. These are the expressions in one variable. In the first expression, variable is x, constant is 5. In the second expression, variable is y, the constant is 2. In the third expression, variable is z minus 3 is the constant. So the variables are taking as a small alphabets, okay, and constants. And the expression can expressed in more variables also. That is nothing but more than one variable. Suppose xy plus x square plus y square. It is also one expression. And xyz minus 3x square plus 2y square plus 5z square. This is also one expression. In this expression, xy plus x square plus y square means it is the expression in two variables. xyz minus 3x square plus 2y square plus 5z square is nothing but it can be expressed in three variables with the constants. This is the form, how the expression can form, that from the variables and constants, so with the algebraic operations, so whatever the operations, we know that the basic operations are algebraic operations: addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and division. Here, x, y, z means in the three variables, the multiplication is there. In terms of two terms in between, the algebraic expression is, algebraic operation is either addition or subtraction. In some cases, we can take x plus 5 by 2. That is the division is involved. So the expression is formed from the variables and constants with the algebraic operations. And later we discuss the identities. Here, variables is nothing but the value can change. We can change any value, that is variable. Variable is nothing but we can choose any value. We can choose any value, okay? That value is belongs to the integer set or whole number set or natural number set or rational number set, whatever the number, okay? Those are the numerals. If we can take x equal to 0 and take the expression 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Those are the values we can take. That is either we can take definite or countable indefinite. That depends. Okay, these values can substitute in the expression x plus 5. What are the values we get? For x equal to 0, the function, the expression we can take as a f of x, that is x plus 5, we can substitute in the function f of 0 equal to 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. At x equal to 0, the function, the expression becomes 5. At x equal to 1, substitute in the place of x equal to 1, 1 plus 5, it is equal to 6. X equal to 2, the function in the place of x equal to 2, then that is 2 plus 5. It is equal to 7. For different values, we are getting the expression values are also different. Okay. This is the, we can take this in this way. Okay. That can, the expression can define from the variables and constants with the algebraic operations. The variables are also one or more, the expression having the variables, one or more variables also. Okay. If any even number line also we can take, suppose x is a particular value, this is the sum, we can take 0 to some positive values at particular distance p is equal to, suppose we can take After the distance, we move 5 meters along. That is nothing but whatever the R distance, 5 meters is there, 0 to R or O to R, the distance can expressed as x plus 5. In that way we can take, okay? And multiples means we can multiply on the number line 4x. Suppose the distance is x, the point, initial point is we can take O, and the first step is x, the next step is x, next step is x. The equal distance means we can move O to x, then it becomes 2 steps means it becomes 2x. It is the 3x, this is the 4x, okay? That is the notation of the number line, okay? Next, we can take, try these. In the try these, give 5 examples of expressions containing 1 variable and 5 examples of expressions containing 2 variables. Suppose we can take 5 examples. 5 examples means already we have taken the examples in 1 variables means x plus 5, y plus 6, z minus 2, t plus 10, s minus 20. These are the expressions we can take anyway. Or 2x plus 6, 5y minus 2. These are also expressions. These can multiple with the constants also. 2 variables means we can take x plus y, or 3x plus 5y, or 5z minus 9t. These are the 2 variables. And xy, x square, 7y square. These are also, we can take 2 variables. Suppose xy, the another one is x square plus 7y square, okay? Just we can check out the expression having the 2 variables or 1 variable, just we count it. If it has the 2 variables, then the expression is said to be the 2 variable expressions, okay? Next, show on the number line x minus 4, 2x plus 1, 3x minus 2. See, here we can take the number line. It is the initial point O. We can take some particular distance, that is x. This is represented as the x. Okay. Next, in the second expression, or we can take suppose this is equal to x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 distance is suppose we are taking it is x. And x minus 4 means it is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. This is the x minus 4. It's x minus 4. Okay. Next, 2x plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is the 2x. And again we can take some plus 1. This total expression is 2x plus 1. Okay. Next we can take 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 3x minus 2. 1, 2. This whole 3x minus 2. It is the minus 1. This is minus 2. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, this is the expression we can show on the number line. Okay, this is the way. Just we can divide if anything. We can take some particular distance x. Then again the same distance, that is the 2x. Same distance, that is the 3x. If -1 means we can go backward. +1 means we can go forward. That is the thing. Next definition, the terms. Terms means if the expression can expressed as, suppose f of x, we are taking the expression is denoted by the f of x. F of x is equal to, suppose 4xy plus 7x plus 3y plus 5 is there. Okay. In this, we can count in between of the two algebraic, that is separated with the addition and subtraction. We can make into two numbers. Okay. Here 4xy is the one term, 7x is the second term, 3y is the third term, 5 is the fourth term. So what is the term? Term is nothing but in that how many values are there in between of the two algebraic operations, addition or subtraction in between only. Okay. Here, this is the term. In this, it is the one term. 7x is the another term. 3y is the another term. 5 is the another term. Okay. Suppose in this, the factors. Factors means, suppose in this, we can take only first term. One term we can take 4xy. That is equal to, we can write it as 4 into x into y. Here 4x, y, 3 are one to another factors. Okay. Next, coefficient. Coefficient means if they are asking what is the coefficient of x in the above expression. Coefficient of x means we can see in the expression if x variable is there. Yes, exactly, it has x variable. What is the numeral multiple? X has 7. So coefficient of x is 7. In the same way, coefficient of y. Y coefficient means y multiple of the numeral. That is the 3 is the y coefficient. What is the coefficient of xy? It is equal to xy coefficient is 4. If they are asking what is the coefficient of x squared, in that there is no x squared term. So 0 is the coefficient of x squared. If what is the constant term? The constant term is equal to 5. Okay. These are the coefficients. How we can take the coefficients means we can take the variable multiples of the numbers. That is the coefficient. Factors means in one term we are taking the variable constants and another variables. Those are one to another factors. Okay. Next, it is very, very important. The same definitions will come in the higher standard also. Monomial. Monomial means an expression has only one term. Only one term. Then it is called as monomial. Monomial means, mono means one. So the expression has only one term, that is called monomial. Next, binomial. Bi means two. Bi means two. So an expression which has two terms, then it is called binomial. Trinomial. Tri means we know that 3. Okay. An expression which has three terms. Two terms means binomial. It has three terms. Then it is called a trinomial. Polynomial. Okay. Polynomial means a polynomial is an expression in the variables which has no negative integers as exponents. Okay. Polynomial is an expression which has in this which contain non-negative variable exponents or variable powers, non-negative variable powers. Then the expression is called as the polynomial. Okay. If the expression has one term, monomial, two terms, binomial, three terms, trinomial, more than three, that is multinomial, polynomial. Okay. If the polynomial means each and every expression in that the formation of the expression from the variables and constants, the variables power should not be negative, should not be negative. That is called as the polynomial. Next definition, like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms means the expressions having the same way. If an expression has one term, then another expression is also having the same one term. An expression has one term, then other one is also has one term, then those two expressions are called like terms. Those two expressions are called like terms. For example, x square, y square, xy, 3x, 4y, if these are the like terms. Unlike terms means if one expression has one term and another expression has more terms, such expressions are called unlike terms. Okay. One expression has, for example, one expression has one term, other has more terms or more than one term. Such are called unlike terms. For example, x square, x plus y, 4xy minus 3y plus z. These are the unlike terms. That is nothing but the first expression has only one term, the second expression has two terms, the third expression has three terms. So such type of the expressions are called unlike terms, okay, or unlike expressions. Exercise 9.1, identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expression. The first question, 5xyz square minus 3zy. Here, first solution, 5xyz square minus 3zy. Identify the terms. What are the terms? 5xyz square are the terms. These are the terms. Okay. First term is 5xyz square. Second term is minus 3zy. For this coefficients, we can write coefficients. Their coefficients, they are asking their coefficients. Here 5xyz square, in that xyz square are the variables. What is the coefficient of those variables? 5 is the coefficient. In the second term, minus 3zy is the term. Zy are the variables. Zy coefficient is minus 3. That is the first one. First, we can write the terms. What are the terms? Write the terms, write the coefficients of their respective terms. First one, in the second question, what are the terms? 1 is the one term, x is the one term, x square is the third term. What is the coefficient of 1? 1 only. What is the coefficient of x? 1 only. What is the coefficient of x square? 1 only. Okay. The third one, third solution, terms, their coefficients. Terms are 4x square y square is the one term, minus 4x square y square z square is the second term, z square is the third term, plus z square or z square, both are same only. What is the coefficient of x square y square? The coefficient of x square y square is 4 for the term. Coefficient of x square y square z square, we can combine the all variables, whatever the variables are there in the particular term. That coefficient, it is the minus 4. You don't forget the sign. You should write the sign also, plus or minus. If the plus means we no need to write the plus sign, but if the minus is there, you should write the minus. If you won't write negative, then it will be wrong. Okay. Z square coefficient, here no number is there. That is nothing but 1. 1 into z square is nothing but z square. So the coefficient of z square is 1. Here also x coefficient, no number is there. That is nothing but 1. X square coefficient, no number is there. That is nothing but 1. Okay. Next, fourth one, terms, coefficients. Three is the one term, minus PQ is the another second term, QR is the third term, minus RP is the fourth term. Coefficients 3 only, so minus 1, this is 1, it is minus 1. Fifth one, terms, coefficients. 1 is x by 2, second term is y by 2, third term is minus xy. Coefficients, x coefficient is 1 by 2. This we can write it as 1 by 2 into x, 1 by 2 into y. Y coefficient is 1 by 2. Xy coefficient is minus 1 into xy. That is minus 1. Do the sixth one. In this, minus 0.3a is the one term, minus 0.6 ab is the second term, 0.5b is the third term. Just write the sixth problem. Terms are 0.3a minus 0.6ab, 0.5b. What are the coefficients? 0.3 is the coefficient, minus 0.6 is the coefficient, 0.5 is the coefficient. Okay, this is the first bit. Second problem. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? Okay. Here, first we can count it. Monomial means that has one term. Binomial means that has two terms. Trinomial means it has three terms. Which one having the suitable terms to that category and which are having more than three, those are not fit to these three: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay. Here, x plus y, it is the binomial. 100 is this, it has only one term. So now we can take here separately. What are the monomials? Write monomials, binomials, trinomials. First one is binomial. So we can write here x plus y is the binomial. 1000, it has only single term. So it is the monomial. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. It's which polynomials? These are more than three terms are called. Those are called as the polynomials. Okay. Polynomials do not fit in any of these three. Three categories. What are they? This is x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4. This is the fourth category. Next, 7 plus y plus 5x. 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So this is the trinomial. 7 plus y plus 5x. Trinomial. 2y is the one term, minus 3y square is the two terms. Two terms means that's a binomial. 2y minus 3y square, binomial. 2y one term, minus 3y square two terms, 4y cube three terms. So it is the trinomial. Two y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Next, 5x one term, minus 4y two terms, 3xy three terms. So it is also trinomial. 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Next, 4z minus 15z square. Two terms are there. 4z minus 15z square. One term AB1, BC2, CD3, DA4. It's not a monomial, binomial, trinomial. Why? Because it has four terms. It's a not fit to these three terms. That is fourth category. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Next, PQR. It is a single term. So it is a monomial. Single term. That is only one term means monomial. P square Q plus PQ square. Two terms. 1, 2. So it's a binomial. P square Q plus PQ square. 2p plus 2q, two terms. So it is also binomial, 2p plus 2q. Okay. Just we can count the terms and we write the suitable polynomials. That is the monomial or binomial or trinomial or other. Okay. Next, Third one, third bit. Add the following. The first question, AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. Third bit, add the following. The first question is AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. First, you write suitable terms one after another. Here, first you can write AB minus BC. It's over. Second one, BC is there. BC variables below, you write BC. It has no sign, means that is nothing but plus. And CA term is not there. That is minus CA. Next, it's over. Third one is CA. CA below is you write CA. It's a plus CA. And AB is there. AB has negative. That is AB below you write AB. The remaining whatever the terms are absent, you can take 0. Then you can add it. Here plus AB minus AB, both will. So 1 minus 1, it's 0. Minus BC plus BC, that is 0. Minus CA plus CA, it is 0. What is the sum of 3? It's simply 0. That is the first answer. The second one is, we can take add. Add means we write A minus B. Just to give a gap. Why? Because here C term is there. Just no C term in the first expression. Write plus AB. In the second expression, B is there. Minus C. Here not AB, it's a BC. So AB term is absent. So write here BC. And A is also not there. You put 0 in the place of A. Okay. Next, third expression is C minus A. Where it is C? Here C. No sign means that is plus C. Minus A. A below you write minus A. B, no B term. So you put 0. And AB term is there. It's AB. Okay. No BC term. Here plus AB, I wrote plus AB only. Just you add it. Plus A minus A. Plus 1 minus 1. It's 0. Plus A minus A, 0. Minus B plus B, it's 0. Minus C plus C is 0. AB plus AB. 1 plus 1. It's plus 2AB plus BC. So what is the answer? The addition of 3 expressions is equal to 2AB plus BC only. Okay. Third one, 2P square Q square minus 3PQ plus 4. In the second expression, you see 5. 5 is a constant. Right below the constant only, plus 5. PQ term is there. Here PQ term is there. Plus 7 PQ. Right here plus 7 PQ. And P square Q square, that is minus 3P square Q square. Add it. Plus 2 minus 3. Minus. Coefficients are as it is. The variables are as it is, but we can add and subtract of the coefficients only. Plus 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Plus 3 plus 7 minus 3, that is plus 4. The variables are same as it is PQ. 4 plus 5, it's 9. Minus PQ square, P square Q square plus 4PQ plus 9. Okay. The fourth one. Right. First expression, L square plus M square. second expression plus m square, n square is not there in the first expression, you put 0. In the third expression, plus n square, L square, come back, plus L square. In the place of m square 0, in the second expression, in the place of L square equal to 0. And the fourth one, it's completely different to first 3. It's right, L square term is not there, m square term is not there, n square term is not there. 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Okay, the 3 are the different. We don't write below of L square, m square, n square. You write the separate. Okay, now you add these 4 expressions. Here L square is nothing but its coefficient 1. L square is nothing but coefficient 1. We can add all 4 expressions. 1 plus 1, it's 2L square. Plus 1m square plus 1m square. It's plus 2m square. Plus 1n square, 1n square. Plus 2n square. Plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. It is the addition. Okay. It is the fourth bit in this exercise. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b from 12 plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. First we write the second expression, then subtract means then write the first expression. First problem, A. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Here 4a write below of a only, 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. When we can take the subtraction, signs will change. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Now you can take, these are belongs to the above coefficient signs. Okay. Here 12 minus 4, it's plus 8a. Minus 9 plus 7, minus 2ab. Plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is plus 2b coefficient. Minus 3 minus 12, it's minus 15. That is, when you are subtracting from one to another expression means the sign should be changed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes a plus. Okay. The second one, B. From means first we can write the second expression, that is 5xy minus 2yz plus 10xyz. Then here first one is 3xy. Right here 3xy. Next yz term means below yz we can write plus 5yz. It is minus z 7zx. This no, minus 7zx. Subtract from one to another, subtraction. Here plus is there, then it can change to minus. Plus is there, minus. It's a minus. It's a minus means this becomes a plus. Plus 5 minus 3 plus 2xy minus 2 minus 5. It's minus 7yz plus 10xyz plus 10 minus 0 plus 10 only plus 7 plus 7zx. Why? Because it is subtracted from this. Minus becomes plus. This plus sign will come to this expression. Okay. Next, third question. From means we can write this expression first. 18, C bit, 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. First one is 4p square q. It is 4p square q plus 4p square q. Next, minus 3pq. It is minus 3pq. Next, plus 5pq square plus 5pq square minus 8p. Here minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 minus 10. This is the way of writing. The below of the below variables only we can write the coefficients. Here just so you see it, PQ below PQ square below PQ square, P square Q below PQ square, P square Q below Q, P below P, constant below constant. Subtract from one to another, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So these signs change to below signs. 18 plus 10, 28, minus 3 plus 8, 8 is bigger number, so plus 5, 8 minus 3 plus 5, minus 11, minus 7, both are having the same signs. We can add it, put the same sign. Here plus 5, minus 18q. These two are PQ terms. Both are having the same terms. You add it, put the same sign. Plus 5 plus 3 is 8pq. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 is 7pq square. Plus 5 minus 4. Bigger number has positive sign. Plus 5 minus 4 is 1. P square q. This is the answer. Okay, be careful about the subtraction, and in this algebraic expressions, you should concentrate on the variables degrees. You write the same variable degrees below only. Okay.